Welcome back, guys. Today we're doing a full breakdown on my M4 build, and I'm gonna be showing you guys all the mods I've put on the car in the last year. So stay tuned and please make sure to like and subscribe. To start it off, we're gonna start on the front end. This is the Darwin Pro carbon hood. I really like this hood because it's more aggressive than OEM. But as you guys can see, there's carbon vents. Also, we got the glass part, which I really like because it exposes the inside of the engine bay, which we're gonna move on to after this. The next part of the front end that I changed is the carbon GT3 grills from Project Gamma. I really like these grills because they're a lot more aggressive than the OEM ones. As you guys can see, they're literally like the GT3 M4 grills. Next up, we got this lip. I installed the last video. If you guys want to watch that, there's gonna be a pop-up banner at the top of your screen. It's like an ABPERFORMANCE style lip. I really like it. But yeah, anyways, let's move on to the inside of the engine bay. All right, next up, we got the engine bay. Pretty simple here. So far, what we have is a carbon engine cover. I've also installed some BMS intakes. They sound amazing, especially with the pure turbos. Also, if you guys want to buy any other products, there's going to be an affiliate link down below. Moving on, we have the full BLACKLINE cap set, including the washer fluid cap. I love this set because it adds a little bit of color to the engine bay. To match the BLACKLINE caps, I've also installed the DOWNSTAR bolt kit. I love this kit because it helps tie the whole engine bay together and it just looks amazing. Moving on, we have the KW Delete kit. This pretty much just removes any codes you would get from installing bags or any coilovers that don't have EDC. You guys can't really see the next mod, but these are pure stage 2 turbos. I'll try to get the camera in there and show you guys, but they're kind of hard to see. I don't know if this is considered a mod, but to tune this car, you actually have to unlock the ECU. For those of you who don't know, in 2020, BMW started locking their ECUs, and the only way to unlock them was to actually physically remove the ECU out the car, put it on a flight to Finland. Once it got into Finland, a company by the name of FEMTO would take over, unlock the ECU, then it would be sent back to your home country. All you gotta do is reinstall it, then you're free to tune it with any tuning software you like boot mode or MHD. But I ended up tuning through boot mode with ABPERFORMANCE to get more power. Moving on to the wheels, these are the BC Forge HCA 381s. I really do like these wheels. They're amazing. They've served me well for the last year, but I am planning on switching them up for next season. So I might be switching to some BBSs, maybe some LMRs. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But anyways, yeah, I love these wheels. BC Forge, great wheels. Moving on, we got the side skirts. These are from MAXTON Design. I actually love their products. They fit perfect. So these are actually gloss black. I didn't choose carbon because I feel like I've already overdone it with the carbon. These actually drop really low, so they make the cars look like it's sitting on the floor. So I really like these. These are gonna stay for sure. Anyways, let's move on to the back of the car. Next up, we got my spoiler. This is like a Vorsteiner style. They don't make the Vorsteiner one for the M4, so I bought the next best thing. But this one also has these air ducts, which I find really cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It has like these indents going through. Moving on, we got these diffuser extensions from MAXTON Design. Same people who make the side skirts that I have on. They also had the lip, but I broke that lip. That's why I replaced it with this one. But yeah, I love these things. They look good. Pretty simple, nothing crazy. Since we're at the back of the car, let's talk about the exhaust. So I have a full VALVETRONIC exhaust. I really love this exhaust. It's also paired with a set of Hark Auto downpipes. The car sounds amazing. It did quiet down after the turbos a bit, but it still sounds good. I'll roll some sound clips. Moving on for the suspension, we have an airlift kit, we have a 3P management, and then airlift struts. So this was actually the first G82 bag, so it's actually an F82 kit that was modified to fit this car because they had no kits at the time. But yeah, let me show you guys the system. So here's my controller. This is what I use to control everything. It's just connected to a phone mount. But yeah, let me show you guys the trunk setup. Here's my trunk setup. It's nothing crazy, nothing too fancy, but I might do hard lines down the line and make it a little bit more fancy. But for now, it does the job. Moving on, we got my steering wheel. It's actually just a wrap because I couldn't find a steering wheel that works with the ACC. Most of them will throw a code, so I found an ALCANTARA wrap. I wrapped it and it actually came out really nice. Alright guys, that's it. That's the full build breakdown of my M4. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'm going to be posting a new video each week.